Hello everyone. So the topic for today's video is Python libraries which are must for beginners. Now you all must be in a confusion that we have learned about Python. Know about its syntaxes, we know the for loops and what should be the next step. So the next step for strengthening your Python knowledge is the must have information of libraries, because Python has a huge number of libraries. For listing out, be it NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, Beautiful Soup, Requests, Scrappy, TensorFlow, Keras, and the list goes on and on. But there it has a huge number of libraries. But as a beginner, what are the libraries that one must opt to make sure that we are actually understanding the core of Python and its library? So let me help you out and tell you which one do you need to learn so that you become proficient in the libraries and actually make use of Python in the real world. So the first library that one must opt to practice right after you know the syntaxes is NumPy. So NumPy is a very popular array processing package of Python. You don't have to download it, you just have to import it into your module to make use of it. It makes a support for different dimensional array object as well as matrices. NumPy is not just confined to providing arrays only, but it provides a vast variety of tools to manage these arrays. Functionalities like logical shapes, discrete Fourier transform, and one of the major tasks that NumPy supports is integration. So integration and the major matrices, multi-dimensional array objects are supported by NumPy. So you should learn NumPy to understand how Python deals with the numbers. Second library that you must get familiar to is requests. If you are very much into the web development then and you want to strengthen your code for the backend using Python, you should learn about these requests. So request is a Python HTTP library, hypertext transfer protocol, which is focused on making HTTP requests more responsive and user friendly. It can customize, inspect, authorize, and configure HTTP requests. The major Python dictionaries and requests are used as parameters. So once you will learn about it, you will be able to understand what and how web development is supported by requests library. Third is Tkinter module. So now if you want to know the major advantage is one of the features of Python which is supported by the shell, and Tkinter is a module which is already available there. So what you have to do, you just play around with this Tkinter module, you will understand how Python helps you in actually visualizing something for the user and interact with that. So it provides a lot of widgets like scroll bar, check button. So what Tkinter does, like in Windows screen, as you can see, it provides a gray GUI interface for you. So that's you should use Tkinter. Next is Beautiful Soup. It is used for parsing. It can have different broken HTML and XML documents. So it needs a package and an exterior parser. Next important is Pandas. Pandas library is must for data science and Python language. So if you are going for data science or starting with your phase, you have to go for data analytics, and for data analytics you must know Pandas library, and Pandas help you in understanding how Python deals with files, folders, and how majorly it provides an interface, a great interface for how you learn and program your data analytics into Excel or other formats, CSV file. So the the all the libraries that I have talked about are very important. You should not think that Python, I have learned Python, now I can be important, now I can explore anything. But if you have a good library support, you can actually understand the core of why Python was created and how libraries are making it more important and useful. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Easy Feezy Hacks Daily Hacks. Thank you.